Hey everyone, it's Vahagn Stepanyan and welcome to my HelloVSTV YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, let me briefly introduce myself. I am an award-winning music producer, songwriter, composer, and Billboard #1 charting artist. I've had the pleasure of working with incredible artists and engineers like Josh Godwin, Randy Merrill, Chris Geringer, Dave Koz, Eric Moore, Greg Howe, and many more. I am also the owner of Stepanyan Studios, which is well known for its exceptional acoustic design. As a professional, working with touchscreen monitors has always been very comfortable for me, especially when I am film scoring, producing music, or using additional monitors to control my plugins. Today, after a long wait, I finally have with me the world's best #1 touchscreen by Espresso, where their old products and software are designed and engineered in Australia and their displays are manufactured in Malaysia. I have with me two Espresso 17 Pro displays, two Creator 17 screen protectors, two cases, two Stand Pros, and two pens. So let's unbox this Espresso 17 Pro bundle and see what's inside. The Espresso 17 Pro is lightweight yet highly durable. It's a 17.3-inch display with a vibrant 4K LED panel, and it's clear that the focus was on delivering an immersive visual experience. The screen attaches magnetically to the Stand Pro, which is my favorite feature, and it's super convenient. I have never seen this feature in any other monitors I have reviewed or used. It allows you to set the screen at the perfect height or angle, whether you are drawing, writing, or working on the go. The Stand Pro also has an 18-degree angle option for precise work like illustration, offering a level of flexibility many portable displays lack. Plus, the portability is enhanced by the microfiber case, which doubles as a stand. One of the standout features is the rich, immersive visual experience. The display offers 450 nits of peak brightness, and with 1.07 billion colors on this 10-bit panel, every pixel is vibrant and true to life. For your information, 10-bit is enabled with 8+2 FRC. The 100% DCI P3 color gamut is perfect for professionals working with high-grade visuals, whether for color grading or content creation. This makes it a top pick for creators who need accurate color representation, whether you are editing photos, designing, or simply watching media. For color grading, these displays work great with calibration software and tools like Data Color Spider for folks that want to fine-tune. With two USB-C ports, the display offers seamless connectivity with power pass-through, which is incredibly convenient. If you are using a laptop or tablet and need to charge it while working, this display serves as a bridge. One of the ports allows you to run power and data simultaneously, reducing cable clutter and simplifying your workspace setup in seconds. Now let's talk about the Espresso pen. This is not just any pen. It's calibrated for general design work and has low latency input, and it integrates with Espresso's custom software Jot. This pen is a game changer, especially when I'm doing automation on Logic or Pro Tools during my mixing process. Whether you are writing notes, sketching, or doing detailed design work, this pen makes it feel like you are working on paper. The low latency ensures there is no lag between your pen strokes and what appears on the screen. Plus, it charges quickly, so you won't be stuck waiting when inspiration strikes. Paired with the Espresso Flow software, it enhances the touch capabilities of the display, making it feel fluid and natural. The Espresso 17 Pro is not just for creatives. Corporate professionals needing a portable second monitor for spreadsheets, presentations, or multitasking will also appreciate the easy setup and seamless connectivity. You can connect and start working in seconds. The fact that it's powered by a single USB-C cable makes the setup minimal and streamlined. The built-in speakers mean you won't need extra accessories for audio. If you are hesitant about testing such high-end tech, Espresso offers a 30-day risk-free trial and backs the display with a 2-year warranty, which is a nice peace of mind if you are unsure about how it will fit into your workflow. In conclusion, I am speechless about the quality of this product, from the packaging to the design and performance. These two monitors are definitely going to become staples on my desk for production, mixing, scoring, or even video editing. It's an amazing choice for anyone who needs a powerful, portable touchscreen display. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but for gear like this, it's worth the investment. It will serve you well for a long time. If you are in the market for a touchscreen monitor, I highly recommend getting this one, and I'm sure you will thank me later. I hope this video helps you make your decision, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. See you in the next one.